Then this is the areola, the nipple, and the lactiferous ducts are actually in the white stripes here. That's where the milk's going to actually come out of the breast. This model's a little newer, but it has some stuff on it that we don't need to know. In the yellow is the adipose tissue surrounding the breast. Each one of these little sacs is the alveoli. A group or a cluster of them is called the lobule or lobe. And then we have the lactiferous ducts again in the light brown here. We've got, again, the areola, which is the colored region, and then the nipple. Ready for males?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this model really only has 3 structures that are important when it comes to males. Back here, 49, and they're labeled the same on both sides. This is the vas deferens. This is the seminal vesicle. And this is the prostate gland. Okay, on this model, again, it's missing some pieces. But what we have is we have the scrotum, which is the outer sac that holds the testes, which is number 15. The epididymis, 16. The vas deferens would run way back here, come back around to the seminal vesicle, right there. They have the ejaculatory duct. And then this donut-shaped structure right here, this is the prostate. We have the bladder, the urethra. That comes down, the urethra comes all the way out until you get to the external urethral orifice. The large open spaces in this tissue, this is called the corpus cavernosum. And this is the corpus spongiosum. The spongiosum is closer and has smaller holes closer to the urethra.
Okay.
This model, again, it has a good corpus cavernosum, a good corpus spongiosum. We have the scrotum out here, number 16. Testes, epididymis. This has a nice vas deferens, really easy to label. All right. The seminal vesicle, they've set off to the side, number 5. And then number 6 is the ejaculatory duct. 7 is the prostate. And other than that, maybe the urethra. Those would be the things that I might pick. And oh, I forgot, the pubic symphysis. The males have pubic symphysis as well.
Okay.
And then, last but not least, we have a couple of these newer models. The testes, epididymis, and then you'll see the vas deferens actually travels up, around, all the way back to the back of the bladder. And there's the seminal vesicle, number 4. Number 5 is the prostate, and this is from the back side, or the exterior. If I turn it around, the ejaculatory duct comes through the prostate. So this is all prostate. This is the ejaculatory duct, and this is the urethra. And there is a urogenital diaphragm, so it's a muscle. Separates and allows for more control of urination as well as movement associated with this region of the abdominal pelvic region. You have the bulbourethral gland, so this really itty-bitty little gland. That's going to be what creates the pre-ejaculate. Right? And then in purple on this model is the corpus spongiosum, and the corpus cavernosum is in white. Pubic symphysis. And I should mention that all of this is considered the penis. The rounded end is the glans penis. I think that might be it for that model.
You mentioned something in your audio lecture, the curran or the...
Oh, the crura. Yeah, the crura is associated with the skin and the tissues that are here, close to where in most male circumcision occurs.
Okay, and that's it.
Okay.
Are we missing anything?
No, I think you got it all.
Thank you.